Star Atlas DAO generally is as of now esteemed at 32 cents. The cost of Star Atlas DAO generally has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours, which explicitly is very huge. Paulus cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which by and large is very huge. Paulus's decently intraday volume certainly remains at $305,944 in an exceptionally enormous manner. 24 December 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is especially momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO. For the most part is Paulus a kind of wise interest in a genuinely enormous manner. Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on in an all things considered, significant way. Yet, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Paulus specialized examination, in a real sense let us in every practical sense, discuss the kind of current economic situations, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there really was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,678,108,084,033, showing how yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Paulus specialized examination, let us discuss the sort of current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $59,916,753 in a genuinely huge manner. Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, or so they for the most part thought. Which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24%, showing how Paulus cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, or so they basically thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours, showing how 24 December 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually most certainly gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what especially is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, in a real sense, is Paulus a sort of wise interest in a truly significant manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time period, so market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,678,108,084,033, showing how yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the Paulus specialized investigation. Let us discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which especially is genuinely huge. BNB, the really local coin of BNB, basically is somewhere near 0.23 and presently exchanging at $269.10, which basically is very critical. Moreover, XRP came to 62 cents subsequent to seeing an elevate of 0.45% in esteem, which sort of is genuinely huge. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a genuinely descending heading for kind of present moment, which really is very critical. Right now, an especially broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they certainly thought. Star Atlas DAO execution. The by and large current Star Atlas DAO cost really is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time period, so market examination over the very last 24 hours, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,678,108,084,033, showing how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the Paulus specialized investigation, certainly let us generally discuss the very current economic situations, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. As of now, Paulus sort of is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, With a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, so BNB, the fundamentally local coin of BNB especially, is somewhere near 0.23 and at present exchanging at $269.10, or so they generally thought. Star Atlas in a real sense is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the conjunction of best-in-class blockchain, ongoing illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and most certainly decentralized monetary innovations. By and large, further appearance how presently, Pulse certainly is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars. So BNB, the truly local coin of BNB in every way that really matters, is somewhere around 0.23 and right now exchanging at $269.10, or so they truly thought. Constant Designs Innovation utilizing unbelievable Motor 5's nanite considers true-to-life quality computer game visuals, so Continuous Illustrations Innovation utilizing stunning Motor 5's nanite takes into consideration realistic quality computer game visuals in spite of prevalent thinking. Blockchain Innovation utilizing the Solana convention laid out it to a great extent serverless and got interactivity experience in a truly significant manner. Non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that reproduces the substance of kind of certifiable resources and proprietorship, which sort of shows that blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention laid out it to a great extent serverless and got ongoing interaction experience, which really is genuinely huge. The most effective method to for the most part take part incredibly. To offer during the IEO, in a real sense, ensure you especially read the standards underneath and fundamentally do the accompanying ahead of time. Sort of register commonly your FTX account and truly submit in a real sense, submit kick level 2 in a truly significant manner. Because of a truly enormous inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that exceptionally your kick will truly be for the most part supported before the IEO, showing how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a really descending course for extremely transient in an unpretentious manner. If it's not too much trouble, in a real sense be encouraged to by and large submit kick when truly conceivable and in a real sense, get certainly endorsed to for the most part be really qualified for the IEO. Exhibiting how to offer during the IEO, for the most part, ensure you fundamentally read the principles underneath and basically do the accompanying ahead of time. For the most part, register essentially your FTX account and certainly truly submit kick level 2 in a fundamentally significant manner. Note that you should really have no less than 150 FTT marked on FTX to partake in the IEO, and that you sort of get kind of additional tickets in the event that you stake more, showing how BNB, the extremely local coin of BNB in a real sense, is somewhere near 0.23 and at present exchanging at $269.10 in a quite enormous manner. Set a caution ahead of time. The IEO most certainly starts at 2021-08 to 26